patience when you're gonna decay. I want to throw you out just like my broken TV. If you'll come back once more, it shall be pain.